Hi everyone, welcome back here to our channel. Today we're going to look at what to do with your money claims here in South Africa. So if you want to learn more about that, stay tuned, you've come to the right place. Before I get there guys, last week I just want to address the issue of the tie. Last week we asked for your opinion in relation to tie or no tie. And just to let you know that that poll is still running, so you can still leave your comments in the comment section. Just type there tie or no tie. We've also decided, because before this video, there was only 3 videos, 2 of which were without the tie and only 1 with a tie. So we thought it's fair to shoot this video also with a tie, as you can see. So now there's 4 videos, 2 with a tie and 2 without a tie. Be sure to check out all 4 videos, guys, and then leave your comments here on this video below and simply say tie or no tie. I'll take that under advisement and I'll adjust my wardrobe accordingly for the next video. Now, on to more serious business. Let's look at what to do with your money claims here in South Africa. So firstly, if you've got a money claim that's not more than 20,000 Rand, then I think you are in luck because you can take that claim to the small claims court. And in the small claims court, guys, you don't need any form of legal representation. You can handle the process yourself from start to finish without any form of legal representation. And therefore, it's basically for free. Sometimes attorneys do get involved with helping draft the very first step, which is the letter of demand. But that's not really necessary, guys. It depends on the case. You can decide if you want help with that. It's not necessary. You can do the whole thing yourself. I just want to say that the small claims court in Afrikaans is, of course, also the claim eishof. Now, if your claim is more than 20,000 Rand, but not more than 400,000, then you need to take it to the Magistrate Courts. Now, of die Landroshowe, een van die Landroshowe in Suid-Afrika. Now, the Magistrate Courts are divided between district courts and regional courts. If your claim is less than 200,000 Rand, that claim you have to take to the district court. And if your claim is more than 200, but not more than 400,000 Rand, in other words, between 200 and 400,000 Rand, then that claim needs to be taken to the regional court. Now, for the magistrates courts, guys, there's an act and there's a set of rules that govern the proceedings in these courts. So there's very specific things that, there's a very specific way in which you need to channel these claims through the courts. And that's why you won't get away with doing it yourself. You will need the assistance of at least, I'd say, an attorney to help you. It obviously depends on your case and the complexity. Maybe you need more than just an attorney. But at the very least, in general, if you've got an attorney, the attorney can help you to channel your claim through the magistrates courts. Now, the next category of claims are claims that's obviously more than 400,000 Rand. And for those claims, you are in the High Court, the Suid-Afrikaanse Hooggerechtshof. Now, just like the Mag Court, the High Court also has a specific act and a set of rules that govern the proceedings in these courts. Very specific, guys, as to what steps need to be taken to channel these claims through the High Court. And that's why in the High Court, you also need legal representation. At the very least, I'll say one attorney and one advocate to help you with your claims in the High Court. Sometimes things get very interesting with claims in the High Court, depending on complexity and the values. And then, you know, the legal teams can get very big. But at the very least, I'd say one attorney and one advocate to help you with your claims in the High Court. Now, guys, we've just discussed what the lawyers refer to as the monetary jurisdiction of the South African courts. And I hope you now have some understanding as to which courts come into play depending on the value of your claim. I should say that, of course, there's many factors that come into play when determining which court is the correct court to hear a matter. It's not only the claim value that plays a role, there's other factors too. And maybe we'll do other videos in due course about those other factors that come into play. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this. Thanks so much for watching. Next week, we will look at the number one thing for landlords and tenants to know when selling the rental property. So be sure to click the bell button, guys, so you get notified whenever we upload that video. And remember, in the comment section, tie or no tie, after you've watched now all the 4 videos that we've uploaded today. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next week, take care. Cheers for now.